this light fixture here. There's an outside light on this wall here, and I'll be using a hammer drill. Now my go-to hammer drill, most always, is this old Makita here. And I'm able to use bits such as this to drill like 3/8 holes in concrete and add lag bolts and whatever. But this Tapcon kit I will use today to drill a very small hole with this bit to anchor the light box with. Now this drill here is probably 18 years old and it still works good. I don't have to worry about it. It's a regular drill and hammer drill combined. Now when I want to get serious about drilling holes, I'll go to this older Hilti here, which is an SDS rotary hammer, and it uses bits such as that and even larger bits such as these. SDS referring to the shank. Now these I've used to go through the block because of the length they have, and I use this quite a bit when I need a hole. I also have a hole saw that I'm going to use to cut circular holes with this SDS rotary hammer. This is an old one without a lot of the safety features, and it will twist your wrist if you're not careful on how to use it. But today, using this Tapcon, I'm going to try something different. And this is just how it came packaged. This is a Ryobi hammer drill. Now my other Ryobi drill is not a hammer drill, so I decided to kill two birds with one stone and get a hammer drill along with a regular drill. And I assume that it works similar to a drill. It has all your controls on top here and everything. And I think it did come with some instructions. Yeah, that's good. Let's see what else. Oh, there's a bit. Okay, that'll go right in the front there. Snaps right in. Alright, so I'll be giving this a try. I noticed there wasn't a handle with it that screws in right here. There should be a handle. Yeah, there is. Here it is. Never mind. It's in the cardboard. No, it was in the cardboard. I have stumped it out. It does have a handle. I've just misplaced it. Okay, so I'm going to get started on this project today using this hammer drill instead of this hammer drill. And we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This is Steve AZ711. There I am.